Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse.
Good morning guys, what's up? Finally we are back again with a video. Noisy Rave, we are here. This time it's a short spin, morning 6, Sunday short spin. Here is the rx135. He also joined us. Babu Sahib here. Our old friend he is. He also joined us. आप क्या ऐसे ही घूमने निकले ऐसे ही घूमने निकले काम से निकले ऐसे वाह अरे वाह क्या कोइंसिडेंस हुआ Yep, good morning everyone. So we took a short spin. After that we thought of making a special video for you guys. We are doing a drag over here on this highway. Let's see what happens. We are going to tune it up. A little tune up is needed, much needed before a drag. So yeah, something special this time. The spark plug seems to be good. The gap is perfect. Seems to be a little rich, but it's okay. Still, we'll try to tune it up. Okay. अभी सुबह का 7 बज रहा है and you can see the public shit too much यार. And you know, Pune is very different compared to south side Kerala and all. So many cyclists. See, morning it's very calm, very peace, and you can see this lane that right side lane. Yeah, this lane, which is for local buses to come and public can wait over there. That's also a good facility, you know. Public, very easy to live over here, Pune. Nice. So we are ready. Let's drag. That was my boy. गाड़ी इतना stable था ना, still I was cruising at a speed of. Nice man, nice. Very happy man. The project is really very successful. Still we are going to upgrade. Some more things to do, like we need more initial on it. We'll be keep updating on that. Thanks everyone for supporting.